Assalamualaikum students, this is art and activity book of prep class. Come towards page number 16. He has written color the camels as indicated. Look at this picture. Here's a picture of camel, and do you know what's its color? Its color is brown or mustard. Do you know it is called a desert animal. It runs very fast in deserts, and now you have to do color in camel. Let's start coloring. You will start from here like this. You will move pencil and you will complete coloring in camel. Color the camel as indicated. You will do color in whole picture. Assalamualaikum students, this is my picture book of animal world for prep class. Let's move towards our topic. Today our topic is horse. Look at the picture of horse. The picture which is here, it's in brown color. So the horses are in different colors, but the picture which is here, it has brown color. It can be in white color. It can be in light black color, and it can be in brown color. It has 4 legs. It has hair on his neck. It has a long tail. Now look what qualities a horse has. Horse is a plant eater animal. Horse can run shortly after birth. Horse have bigger eyes than any other animal that lives on the land. Look at his eyes. It's so big eyes. So the baby horse is called a foal. So the baby of the horse is called foal. Now you will learn at home. Assalamualaikum students, this is my picture book of shapes for prep class. Let's move towards our lesson. Today our lesson is rectangle. Look at the shape. It has 4 faces. Can you see? This picture has resemblance with square, but there is something different. Now all of you think, what's the difference here? It has square also has 4 faces, and rectangle also has 4 faces, but in square all the faces are equal. But you have seen difference here. These 4 faces are not equal. Look at this line and look at this line. Look at this line and this one. These 4 lines are not equal. 2 lines are long. It means 2 faces are long and 2 faces are short. So when 2 faces are long and 2 faces are short, then that shape is called rectangle. All of you read with me. What's this shape is called? Rectangle. Now we will look at different objects and we will see how many objects are there and which shape they have. Look at this is credit card, and it is also in the rectangle shape. It has 2 long faces and 2 short faces. This is a paper. It also has 2 long faces and 2 short faces. This is an envelope. This also has 2 long faces and 2 short. Yummy. This is a chocolate bar. Kids, I know all of you like it very much. It is also in rectangle shape. Wow. 2 faces are long and 2 faces are short. This is your ruler. Do you know you use ruler in daily basis? When you are going to start your homework, you draw a margin line with ruler. It's also in rectangle shape. Look at its faces. 2 faces are long and 2 faces are short. Now it's a flashcard. Do you know I also use flashcard in teaching? Look, T letter is written here. It's also in rectangle shape. It has 4 faces. 2 faces are long and 2 faces are short. Today we have learned the shape that is rectangle. What shape? Rectangle. Now you will revise and learn. Thank you.